Study smart, not hard. Hey, kings and queens. Feeling overwhelmed by the books? You're not alone. We've all been there staring at pages, wondering if it'll ever sink in. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to conquer those textbooks without sacrificing your sanity. Let's ditch the struggle and embrace smart studying. First, understand your learning style. Are you a visual learner? Auditory? Kinesthetic? Tailor your study methods to what works best for you. Next, break down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Instead of trying to cram everything at once, focus on one concept at a time. Celebrate those small victories. Time is precious, especially when you're juggling classes, extracurriculars, and life. Create a realistic study schedule and stick to it. Prioritize your tasks. What's due first? What's worth the most points? Tackle those first and you'll feel a weight lifted off your shoulders. Believe in yourself. You are capable of amazing things. Don't let self-doubt creep in. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remember why you started. Think about your goals, your dreams, and the impact you want to make on the world. Let that fuel your motivation. Studying smart isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Implement these strategies, believe in yourself, and watch yourself soar. You got this.